Okay, so today was a pretty productive day. I did a lot of garbage outside from upstairs, so that's all this down here. We'll show you that. Mostly I worked up in the bedroom and ran the wires. I got the wire to that switch and to this switch just the other day. Now I have the power wire coming in. And if you look up here, you can see I have the lights at least put up. I haven't run power to them yet, but all these lights are going here. That light and that light are going to be on their own switch right here. So that'll be nice. And then I've got the power going down for the outlets on that side. I still have to run, we're going to build a wall right across here and put a window in there, a new window. And so we'll take and I'll put a couple of outlets on that wall once it's done. And then I think I'll probably put one outlet over in this wall over here. But you can see I've kind of cleaned up this whole area. It was a big mess with all of the stuff from up there. So that's all been swept up and gone. And you can see over there is my power source, so that's where the power is going to come from, and going up to there. So I'm happy today. Feel like I've gotten quite a bit done. Hopefully tomorrow I can finish up a couple of outlets, get them all put in and ready to go, or at least wired. And then on tomorrow we have a delivery coming of a couple of porches, the patio doors coming and a door for the other room. So I'm hoping that maybe we'll start to see some things actually going back to work. But I'm happy with the electric right now, and hopefully we'll keep on moving. All right, see you next time.